Did you know that you could edit more than one video in YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. This is very helpful when you want to change your contact information on your YouTube channel description and you have a lot of videos in your YouTube channel. You could do this all at once. First, go to your YouTube channel and go to your YouTube Studio. And then go to Content. And you will notice that there's a checkbox in each video. In order to edit more than one video, go and check all the video you want to edit. The top checkbox is to select all the videos. Here in this example, I'm going to check first two videos to edit. And go to edit menu on top, and here you can select many different options to edit videos. In this example, we are going to choose description. If you click on edit type, we have 4 different options. You can use remove option if you want to delete your old email or any kind of a contact information you want to remove from each videos that you have. In this example, we are going to choose insert at the end, which means that we are going to add new email address at end of each video description. Here I'm going to type in my email address that I want to add in each video and click update videos. And it's done. To verify, I'm going to go to each video and look at the email that's added at the end of each description. If you look at the edit menu, there's other things you could change, just such as tags. So you could go and try to play with it and test it out. Right? It's really helpful.